So for question 24b is asks us about logarithm equation. So first of all, we have to check our base here. Is it our base in the same base? This is base 2, this is base 4. So obviously we need to change our base before we go in to simplify our log equation. So we will maintain our base as 2. So the new base is 2. So we're going to take 3x at numerator and O base 4 at denominator, which is equals to 0. Then we can simplify it to become 2. So our motive here, when we simplify our log, it is important we can get it into a single log. So I can move this single log to the right hand side. And I multiply 2 to the left hand side. Simplify it. And I move back the 2 to the power of x2. So now my left hand side is single log and my right hand side also single log in the simplest form. So then we have to equal, when we have single log both sides, we can unlog them. We can equal back x squared is equal to 3x plus 4. So we get a quadratic equation here to solve. So we will rearrange our quadratic and factorize it. So in order to get x value, so we will get our x value -1 and 4. So our factorize here should be x plus 1 and x minus 4. So every time we do our logarithm, we have to really be careful. We have to check our answer. Is it our x is valid or not? So when we have our answer x -1, we try to substitute back here log negative. It will become invalid. So when we have 4 here, we will substitute here, that's log 4, then valid, then log 12 plus 4. So because this is 4, 3 times 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, that then is valid. So means that we only accept x equals to 4 as our final answer. So from here, what is important concept? So the first concept will be how you changing the base. We will choose the smaller base, so we will change it to base 2. And then how we simplify the log 2, 4 equals to 2. Then after that, we have to perform our concept is how we going to get to simplify until single log and apply the rules of logarithm where the 2 can move up to the x power of 2. So this is another concept of a rules of logarithm in our properties. Finally, we can simplify to get our quadratic and we start to do our factorize concept and we get our answer. So for this answer, we have to check whether invalid or not so that we can justify to a correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how we get 7 marks.